Hi, and welcome back to Creative Digital Designs, and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be going over how you can fix and download large photos or files from Canva. So if you're having errors with uploading to other platforms such as Etsy or other places, or your photos giving low quality, we're going to go over how to fix that right now. So let's go ahead and get into that right now. So the first thing that you want to do, if you're having an error with the photo size, is to check the actual file size. So as you can see here, I created a quick design. This is actually 8,000 by 2,000 px. And so, but you can check that by clicking file and then checking right there. You can see the file size right there. And you can also resize if you have Canva Pro to whatever size that you need, if it's just to do for different projects or if it just needs to be smaller. So that's the first thing you can do is you can resize it. Let's say that we wanted to resize it to this. You can do a custom size or you can select specific things that you want it to be sized as you can see here. So if we wanted to resize it to this, we would just hit copy and resize. That way we'll still have this original size, and we're going to wait for that to happen. So after that is done resizing, it's going to give you the option to open that up, and you're going to go ahead and do that. Open it right here into another tab. And now it has been resized. So if you need it to be, let's say that you need it to be a banner, you could make it a banner size, but make it smaller. So this is how you would resize it. So that's one way that you can help reduce it. So we're going to go back here. And so when you hit share, another way that you can reduce the size is when you go hit share and you hit download. What you can do instead of doing a PNG, which is going to be a lot more, a larger file, what you can do is hit a JPEG or right here. So this is best for sharing. And this will also help with the sizing of it. As you can see here, you can adjust the size, which is going to contribute to the large file and also the quality. So this is with the Canva Pro. So you can also reduce it, and it'll tell you the file size right here based off the quality that you do. So when you download it, you can check out different quality sizes to see if it makes it the quality still good, but also the file smaller. So then you're going to hit download. And there you go. So you can download it that way by reducing it with the JPEG. So the next way that you can go ahead and do that is to resize or split the large designs. So like I mentioned before, you can use the resize tool to make it smaller, or you can also, let's say that you have a planner. Okay, so you know how you can add multiple pages to a design. Let's say that you have a planner or a design that has 50 pages. What you can do is you can reduce the amount of pages that you're downloading at one time, and you can split it up, whether it is a PDF file or any type of file. So let's say that this had 20 pages. Instead of doing all 20 pages, you would only select 10. So you might say 1 through 10 if you had 20 pages, and then you would download it as, you can download it as a PDF standard if someone is not printing this. This will also help with the sizing. And you hit download. So that is another way that you can reduce. They also have the option here to compress the PDF file. This allows you to reduce the file size, but it may impact the quality of the image, as you can see here. So you can test it out and compress the PDF file if it's a very large file and see if the quality is still to your standard. Okay, so the last way that you can reduce your photo size without losing quality, let's say that you download from Canva and you're still having the error, you can also visit imagesmaller.com. So imagesmaller.com, And you can go ahead and select that image file. As you can see up here, it says reduce file up to 90% without losing quality. It does give you a max amount of 50 MB. So we're gonna go ahead and select the file right here. And I'm gonna select something as an example. And we wait for the file to show up. I just put an image here. And while that is processing, it'll take a second. Okay, it has says download complete. And now you can go ahead and download it again because it has reduced it by 65%, as you can see here. So this is another easy way to reduce the size of your file. Again, imagesmaller.com. When you go back over here to recap, you can resize directly in here in Canva to be able to reduce. You can also reduce it by downloading as a JPEG instead of a PNG, or a PDF standard instead of a PDF print. Those are all ways that you can reduce your photo size. If this video has been helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what type of videos you want me to create next. This was a requested video. Subscribe so that you don't miss a video, and have a great day.